Welcome to the session, Interacting with Family. Ever wondered what's the magic formula behind families staying connected? Simple. It's love, mutual respect, and easy-flowing conversations. We saw how upset Gaurav is at the news of his auntie coming. Well, meetups with extended family can be pretty inconvenient, especially when you don't get along. Do you know, get along with someone is a phrase that is used to say you have a friendly relationship and you enjoy being with them. You can also say get on with instead of get along with to depict the same idea. For example, I get on well with my boss. Though we get to choose our friends, we do not ever get to select our relatives, which means we must take mummy's advice and learn to be amicable with them. Amicable is another word for friendly. So, if you have an amicable relation with someone, you behave in a pleasant manner and solve your problems with them without quarreling. Now, how much hard you try, there would be times when you won't like something your extended family says or does. Like here, Auntie Sheena is nosy and overbearing. Nosy implies that she always tries to know what's happening in other people's lives. Overbearing means that she tries to control their behavior and ignores their opinions and feelings. Quite a difficult character, isn't she? And that's why Mummy says she needs to be on her toes. That is, Mummy always needs to be alert and attentive. And whether it's a matter of a few days or forever, be amicable and forge a healthy relationship. Let's now quickly recap the words we learned today.